In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when Roblox doesn't open on your PC. This issue can be really frustrating, but don't worry. There are a few easy fixes that usually get things working again. Before we begin, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps a lot and motivates me to make more helpful tutorials like this one. Now, if Roblox won't open when you click on it, the first thing to try is adjusting its compatibility settings. On your desktop, find the Roblox player icon, right-click it, and choose Open File Location. In the folder that appears, find the Roblox player beta file, right-click it again, and go to Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode, and set it to Windows 8. Then scroll down and enable Run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. After that, click Apply and OK. Once you've done this, try opening Roblox again. This alone fixes the issue for a lot of people. If Roblox still doesn't open, the problem could be with your installation files. The best way to deal with that is by reinstalling Roblox completely. To do this, open your Windows settings and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search box, type Roblox and uninstall everything related to it, including Roblox Player and Roblox Studio. After uninstalling, close the window and open the Run box by pressing Windows and R on your keyboard. In the box, type %local app data % and hit Enter. This will open a folder containing temporary files. Scroll down until you find the Roblox folder, right-click on it, and delete it. This removes corrupted cache data that can stop Roblox from launching properly. Once that's done, open your browser, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Click on any game, hit the play button, and Roblox will automatically reinstall the player. Give it a moment to finish, and then check if it opens normally. Most of the time, this clean reinstall fixes the issue completely. If you're still having trouble, another great option is to install the Microsoft Store version of Roblox. To do this, open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu, search for Roblox, Shmate, and install the one that says Roblox for Windows. This version runs more smoothly on some PCs and can bypass issues related to the traditional installer. Now, in rare cases, Roblox might still refuse to open because of other background applications. If you're using programs like MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, or any system performance software, try disabling them temporarily. These apps can sometimes conflict with Roblox or block it from launching. Also, make sure your antivirus software isn't blocking Roblox. Adding Roblox as an exception in your antivirus settings can help prevent that issue. After trying these methods, Roblox should finally open and run as normal, whether it was a compatibility issue, a corrupted cache, or interference from another program. One of these fixes should solve the problem. And that's how you can easily fix Roblox not opening on your PC. Hopefully, this video helped you get back to playing your favorite games. And if it did, please take a second to leave a like, drop a comment, letting me know what worked for you, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.